Welcome everybody to the Made from Scratch tutorials. This is DJ Andy, and this week I'm showing you a very musical combo, something that you can use in your live sets, in your mixtapes. Check it out. This combo works on longer and shorter scratch sounds, and I decided to use this one.
Wow!
Alright, the combo is divided in 3 parts. I start with 2 steps and I release the sound.
Wow!
So once again, 2 steps and you release the sound.
Wow!
As a second step, we need to come back to the beginning of the sound, and I'm doing a 2-click flare for that.
Wow!
So once again, 2 steps and you release,
Wow!
and then you come back with a 2-click flare, a few times in a row.
Wow!
For the last part of this combo, I'm gonna do 1 transform forward and 2 transforms back. Once again, 1 forward and 2 back. Now let's do the combo a few times in a row. Once again. And now a bit faster. Check it out. Once you feel comfortable with this, you can add some speed. And don't forget to test it on the beat. Check it out.